Dispatch, assistance required. In pursuit of 1041, code 3, clearance needed.
Copy that. Advise of suspect details. I'm updating NBC with some new status.
1042, this guy's got record. Yeah, I hit him. Dispatch, we need more back. We're gonna lose. Copy. Dispatch advise from 7 response, over. Dispatch, they're racing. They have to be on a route. Anyone got an idea where they're heading?
10-4, clearance approved.
Dispatch, racing just hit our roadblock. We're gonna need tow trucks, over.
This is 8 Echo 19. I'm 1123. We're gonna lose them.
These guys are just roadblock in position, over.
10-4, duty will authorize.
Oh, these guys are really moving. These guys are good. Break the crash. Repeat, break the crash. Something to detain the driver, over. Yeah, that was a hit. I'm closing to a 10-10 maneuver. Dispatch, those racers have taken out my unit. Dispatch, who's marking the different races? Do we have a designate?
Copy that. Advise if situation changes.
Dispatch, support. We're seriously outgunned on horsepower here. Roadblock is in place, over.
10-4, clearance approved.
He's got air. He's got air. He's taking it out on property now. Watch out for debris. Dispatch, 1044 continuing. This is the racing. All units, watch for a break on the right. I have visual, over. Suspect vehicle's out of sight. Anyone else have a location? Be advised, change of description. Suspect vehicle is blue, over.
10-4.
Oh, we're gonna lose him.
Dispatch, assistance required. In pursuit of 1041, code 3, clearance needed.
Copy that. Code 3 authorized. Advise of progress, over.
1042, suspect is entering, officer, over.
All units, a police vehicle has been rammed by the suspect. Proceed with caution.
Dispatch, I'm 1123 and unable to pursue illegal street race. Dispatch, we need more back. We're gonna lose these racers.
Copy that. I am reassigning you.
Dispatch, roadblock established, over.
Copy that. Advise if situation changes.
Racer has gone by us. Dispatch, any chance of slowing the traffic? 1044 is in need of cover.
Understood. Advised.
Watch the traffic. We don't want the racers tangling up in it.
All units, you are cleared to attempt pit maneuver, over.
Dispatch, we have any way to convey this race.
And 4 units are en route.
Yeah, dispatch, these are some serious vehicles. We're not dealing with joyriders. Roadblock was been established.
Understood. Be advised.
Suspect just ran there. All units, watch out for debris on the road. Watch for the breaking away.
Vehicle received. Watch your NBC for further.
Anyone else got a visual on pursuit suspect? I've lost contact with him.
Be advised, roadblocks are now in position.
10-4, we'll respond when able. Dispatch, we need more back. We're gonna listen.